Hi everyone, my name is Laura and for today I have prepared a new lesson on calculated fields in a pivot table. I will be using an example from banking where I will calculate directly in a pivot table the number of installments, the interest income generated by the personal loans, and the value of the installments. I start by creating the pivot table. Click on the table, insert pivot table. The location will be the existing worksheet. On C15, click OK. I want to keep the same structure as per the above table, so I will drag the product on rows, the loan volume on values, and I will calculate now using the calculated fields from the pivot table the number of installments. For simplifying the formula, I assumed that the tenors are the multiples of 1 year. So let's do it. Click on the pivot table analyze, fields, items and sets, calculated field. The name will be number of installments and the formula year of maturity date minus year of approval date all multiplied by 12. I will put that in the brackets and now the formula is correct. That's it. I calculated now the tenors expressed in months. The next calculation is the interest income obtained by multiplying the loan volume by interest rate. So, go on Pivot Table Analyze, Fields, Items and Sets, Calculated Field, Interest Income, and the formula, the loan volume multiplied by interest rate, and click OK. Here I obtain what I needed. The calculation is made for 1 year. If you want to make it for the entire loan life, you can multiply it with the number of years. Also, this is not an exact calculation, but for demonstration purposes, it's fine. For calculating the installment amounts, I will be using the PMT formula, which calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and the constant interest rate. I will show you here what we need from this PMT function. Here we have displayed the PMT function details and we need this syntax. As the rate, we have it here, interest rate. Here is about the number of installments and present value referring to loan volumes. So we have all the parameters required by the function and I can use it in the formula. For that, click on the pivot table, calculated field. Here we'll have installments. Here we use PMT function with interest rate divided by 12 months. Then we'll have the number of installments and the loan volume. Add, click OK. And now I will do one more thing to change this minus sign from the formula. I go again on the formula, on installments, and I will change the sign from loan volume. I will put here minus, modify, OK. And now the values are positive. One more thing, I won't display the grand total as the calculations are applied at a loan level and the totals don't make sense. I go here at design grand totals of 4 rows and columns. So now it seems to be fine. I hope that you enjoyed using the calculated field with me. See you soon!